Nice. Stop. Oh. End of the day. Okay, we are back 9 of Tanjong. Of course. With a beautiful weather.
Excellent weather.
That's the most important part.
Nakakaya magdibot.
Nakakaya magdibot. Yun, kumanda na. Right lang.
Ayun.
Go! Roll yan, roll yan. Roll yan, roll, 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 roll. Ah! Ready.
Nice draw. On the green. Beautiful bite. Nice shot.
Thank you, sir. Nice!
Natakot sa downhill.
Nice!
Galing mag...
Nagtuwa ko dun.
Oh, good one. Good one. Millimeter adjustment.
4-2, 4-2. Alam mo, ganda na score. Wow! Over. Uy, may draw pa. Ganda rin.
Nice draw.
Nice draw.
Okay.
Tapon na naman.
Okay. Wah! Ulit, ulit!
Yan ang drive.
Patay tayo dyan. Si Meli.
Pick up na yan.
This is hole 12. Ito na. Iba na yung texture nito pag ganun na tayo. Alrighty, hole 12. Hole 12. Tanjong.
What's lang ako?
Ano mo kaming tatlo? Oo, siguro ba yun? Sweet spot. There. Right side.
Doon ako naka-aim. Ay, hindi na. Ando na. Doon ako naka-aim. Nasa bako na.
Into fairway. Sa forma pa lang alam mo naman eh. Nice.
Sinong club kaya yun? Sama nun.
Oh. Nice one. Ganda. O pa napapagod eh. Di ikaw na kayang pumapalo.
There you go. Nice shot.
Nice one. Good job. Good shot finally. Good shot. Ang ganda ng pick up.
Lakas.
Sana before the bunker ka. Set na si Omars. Set. Nice. Stop. Whoa. 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 Hirap na na. Shot of the day. Nice. Oy, tilang Lex.
Double, no?
Kan
Baba, no?
Okay, patong. Signature par 3. 170 meters. Wow, tingnan naman yan. 11 meters dry.
Nice.
Oh!
Ay.
Aba, dry. Cross mo.
Talagang ano mo, negative attack, no?
Yeah. Maangat, no?
Lahat negative.
17. How was the experience so far?
Of course. Yung laro lang hindi maganda. Ganda na palo mo, kuya. Congrats. Beautiful game.
Sayang naman kabal. Being on this part of the 17th green towards the 18th. Ah! That's the signature.
Black tea ulit, oh.
Black tea. Stay 90 meters. Sige lang. Buhay ka pa. The view from 18th tee box.
Wow.
Oy.
Ganda ng palo.
Di pa masaya. Alam na this eh.
Yes! Started there na eh.
Nice shot.
Ooh, layo ah. Okay. Forward march.
All day.
Yun, ganda. Let's pick up. Alrighty. Okay, last hole of Sentosa. There's the box. And this is the drive to the 18th green. That's my ball, the second shot. My final walk. Okay, thank you for the game. Thank you for the game.
Danger sa bagal ha.
Nice game.
Finally.
Ay, clap.
Ay, atin yan.
Atin. Chipon ko rin yan. Practice round for Alex.
Of course ha.
Oo naman.
Hirap.
Siyempre, top of the line to na kwan eh. Na course eh.
Championship course.
Ending the last hole in San Rosa. Saan tayo magkano? Ha?
Pero sa dali.